Yeah, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, copy that, roger that. 10-4, squad up. Yeah, turn up, turn up, turn up. Nah, I'm just playing. Don't turn up. Turn down. Right. I mean, I don't even know.
Yeah, it's late night, 12 o'clock. Boy, just got in my zone, got my Pro Tools out, writing verses on my iPhone, working 9 to 5, so ain't got no time to sit around and do nothing. Plus, I got better things to do than talk about me struggling. Get the pen and start to hustling. Verses of inspiration, not a single word of cussing, cause that's the way I be doing things. In this life is do or die, so I ain't trying to mess up or ruin things. I got one shot to make it, so I'm trying to stay in tune with things. No liquor in my system, 20/20 vision. Chances are always taken, never given, so I take mine, make my own luck. Plus I'm trusting in the only one, cause he guides my steps like a blind man with a white cane. The music comes alive in the night, mate, so I'm up late, working on my career. I anticipate what happens if I continue articulate. Through stream I will illustrate. Success is only what you make it, so I'm up late night, trying to create it. Late night, 12 o'clock, late night, 12 o'clock, that's when the music comes alive. When the music comes alive. Yeah, it's late night, 12 o'clock, late night, 12 o'clock, that's when the music comes alive. When the music comes alive. Yeah, never been conceited, but the odds, yeah, I beat it. Coming harder like the remix. When it comes to rap, I Kareem it. That's Abdul Jabbar and I fooled them all, cause they don't know that I cypher hard. Plus I'm fully loaded with a 16 like a rifle, dog. Eyes getting low, cause I'm working like it's graveyard. Warrior forgot, Mel Gibson, Braveheart. Work hard, pray harder, hands to the plow, and I labor so. In the future I'm farther than I am now. Billboards in large crowds, surfing above clouds, but remaining humble like eyes closed, head bow. Reverence to the mighty God, because I know where he's brought me from. Where he's taking me, well, that remains a mystery. But I'm strapped in, ready to go like the evangelism ministry. Why he chose this corrupted kid really doesn't make sense to me. Success is only what you make it, so I'm up late night, trying to create it. Late night, 12 o'clock, late night, 12 o'clock, that's when the music comes alive. When the music comes alive. Yeah, it's late night.